Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Laga, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, we are reviewing a weave from Tinashe Hair. It is actually my first time doing Tinashe Hair and I'm super excited to review their hair. It looks good. The hair looks fabulous, so I cannot wait to try it. I cannot wait for that reason. But before we go into the video, you guys, please don't forget to like this video. Please like it before you even watch it, and also please watch all the ads on this video. If you didn't know, that's how we as content creators make money on this platform, so please make sure that you watch all the ads and also watch this video. So without no further ado, let's go straight into this weave. Let me show you the good things that come with this weave. This is the lovely box that Tinashe Hair comes in. Let me just show you. This is luxurious, like the packaging, child. It is it is stunning. It is luxurious. Look at how it opens, child. Can you see the deco, you guys? Like, this is everything. Actually, what's nice about this box is that it tells you the length of the wig. So it says here it is a 24 wig. It is a 5x5 lace frontal wig, so that is perfect. And this is 200 density, which means, child, the volume is giving. This item that I received is this bonnet, child. I'm going to use this. The next item is this lovely comb. This is definitely necessary when you're installing wigs. Next item is these wig caps over here. These come, there are 2 wig caps inside. They've also got lashes. I will try them on as well. You guys know that I love these. I love edge controls, especially for this wig. We are going to do some edges, so definitely we're going to need this. These are very effective, especially if you want to control your hair and if you're busy with your installation. These are necessary, or if you're styling your hair, these are definitely necessary. The hair comes in this lovely bag. I love these bags, and also the box as well. I love this because you can put your hair in here, you can store it in here in your cupboard. You can also use this box to store other hair as well, so these are going to serve as my storage. These are curls, and you guys know how much I enjoy curls. I love curls. I have already bleached my closure, you guys. The reason I did that is because you guys already know that I usually put on makeup over here, but when you wash the hair you also need to put on the makeup over here, so that's why I decided to just bleach this space. Here it's bleached and you can see that there's a difference over here in color, but yeah, this is it. Can you see? Yeah, you can definitely catch it over here. This is how the wig looks in the inside, you guys. I'm sure you already know how a wig looks inside. Got these protective combs over here. So yeah, there's 3 combs, and yeah, this is the wig in the inside. Trying to identify where my wig is going to sit. I don't like my wig to sit a bit too the back because I've got a big forehead. Maybe you don't like it when it's sitting in front, but because I have a big forehead, I like it to be like more in front, like so. I think it's going to be good like over here. I think that's perfect. I'm going to go in with my ghost bond over here. This is the ghost bond that I'm using. I'm going to insert a picture so that you guys can also see it. I'm using the back of my comb over here. I'm going in with my first layer, and then I'm also going to do the second layer. When you're putting on your ghost bond, you guys, make sure that you're not you're pushing it back properly and you're not stacking it, because it takes a while to dry if you're going to stack it, and if you're going to make it thick. So make sure that you are making thinner layers. Gonna wait for this one to dry off, and then also I'm gonna go in with the second layer. The reason I am going to go in with the second layer is because I do not like having a wig on for like a day. I like to have it for like, let's say 5 days maximum, then I take it off, and we're approaching the weekend. So I think I'm gonna have this wig throughout the weekend, so that's why I want it to be tight and I want it to be stuck onto my head. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to achieve over here. You guys can already see that it is drying off, so I'm gonna go in with the second coat. can see that it has dried off. It is important for you to wait for it to dry off properly, and it is clear. Don't wait for it though to be dry. As soon as it becomes clear, put on your wig. So yeah, let's do that now. It's tacky and it is the correct time to these parts are up. Let me just try and make it more flatter in with a small amount of glue, because when you're doing this you need to be like careful so that you don't put too much of the product. The way it is, if I had like an ear to ear, then I would do a baby hair, but because it's a 5 to 5, it would mean if I want baby hairs I should only have it here, because this side is hidden and that's how I want it. So I'm not sure if should I do baby hairs. I'm not quite sure. Should I? This looks good, guys. I haven't even put it on makeup, but this is how it looks. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna do baby hairs, but I'm just gonna have it here on the side, and that is about it. So we're done tying this up, and yeah, let's open the hair now. So this is how full the hair can get. It looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, now we know how full the hair can get. And I'm also going to go in with my water with foundation. This one is used to define the curls, and this one as well is also used to define the curls. But I find that this one is used more to define the curls. But if you want your hair to stay much longer when it is wet, this one is definitely the one to go with. So if you're going out and you don't have this spray, make sure that you put this on. It will last a bit longer. So yeah, let's do that. I'm going in with the Curl La La by Auntie Jackie. Make sure when you're using this, you guys, you're very generous, as well as when you're going in with the mousse, because we want to define those curls. We want them to pop, so make sure that you are very generous when it comes to these two. Okay, you guys, we are done with this wig. I think I should perhaps put on some makeup and then come back onto the camera. But this is how the wig looks without makeup. This is how it looks on the front. Child! Okay! Child! Hey, guys. So this is what I like about bleaching your knots, you guys, is that you don't need to put on any makeup on your hair. It already defines it for you, as you guys can see here in the front. Child. If you're not paying attention over here, this wig is slayed. It is slayed. I wonder how it's gonna look when I have makeup on. Can you see that? You cannot even see where the lace starts, and that's what we want. It is giving. It's giving scalp. It's giving everything, child. Okay, cool. Let's go on and put on some makeup and come back onto the camera. Otherwise, this is how it looks without makeup. Let's do this. Let me show you. I've finished styling this wig and I've changed into another top. It is a beautiful weave. It has melted properly and it is to my satisfaction. In my personal opinion, this is perfect. This is a perfect melt, if you ask me, child. This weave is giving the inches. It's giving inches. It's giving scalp. It's giving everything that it is supposed to give, child. Can you guys see the melt? I'm not sure if I mentioned on this video that I bleach my knots, but that's why it looks like this, and that is why it is giving this. For my other wigs, that's what I'm going to do exactly, because I did not put on any makeup over here, and also on the front as well. It looks proper, and I also plucked the hair here in front, so it was already plucked, but I wanted to take it a bit further to my satisfaction. So that's what I also did with this wig. This wig is giving. It is a beautiful wig. It is stunning, child. You can't even tell where this starts. Ooh, Tinashe Hair, you guys are doing the most. You guys are top tier. You are doing the most. Those of you who would like to order this wig, I will definitely leave a link to their website on my description box. I also have an extra 15% discount for you guys, so if you want to purchase it, use my 15% discount. This goes for all the hair that they have on their platform. Just use my discount code. I will leave it in my description box. Anyway, you guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. I'm going to enjoy this hair, especially because it's not an ear to ear and you can style it just from here, and it's giving bomb.